I'm Brian, and ever since using this energy booster shot Genius, studying felt like a never-ending cycle of frustration. Despite trying multiple strategy studies, I couldn't hold from material for so long. Ever since using this energy booster shot Genius, I've been able to remember key concepts and improve my attention for 50%. It is helping me improve my marks and I never thought it's possible.
Hi, I'm Mark Sambalito. Before using Booster Energy Shot Genius, I've struggled to retain information during my studies. I would spend hours and hours reading, but the knowledge never seems to stick. I've tried various techniques like flashcards and apps, but it never seemed to work. Since I started using Booster Energy Shot Genius, I've noticed a significant improvement in my retention during my studies, and my test scores have gone up by 30%. Not only am I remembering much more, but I felt much more confident in going into exams. I felt working smarter, not hard, and it's all really different in our academics.
Before using Booster Energy Shot Genius, I was always anxious about the exams, knowing I couldn't remember everything. But now, I'm much more confident and I feel like I've learned my full potential to learn what I need. I'd highly recommend it to everyone who struggles with memory and retention.
I'm Tuzan and I used to feel like I couldn't keep up with my classmates. I tried every trick in the book, from long study sessions to reviewing notes multiple times, but still couldn't grasp the concepts. After using Booster Energy Shots, my understanding and retention skyrocketed. Now, I feel way more confident in class and exams.
Police and I struggle with memorizing blocks for exams. I spent hours reading textbooks but found it difficult to remember everything, but it got me. After incorporating Booster Energy Shot Genius into my study habits, I've seen 40% increase in how much I think. It's been absolute game changer.
Ako nga pala si Christine. Dati ay nalulula ko sa dami ng kailangan kong information na kailangan namin tandaan para sa aming pagsusulit. But I tried memorization method but didn't work for me. After discovering Booster Energy Shot, I'm able to retain far more information to less time. My performance in school has improvement dramatically. I'm now excelling in every subject.
Looking for a way to enhance learning, improve retention, and see results. We highly recommend Booster Energy Shot Genius. If it worked for us, it worked for you too.
Talagang paalala, ang Booster Energy Shot Genius ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.